Hello friends, how you all doing? In today's video I'm gonna show you a really cool trick with matches and magnet. Okay, let's check if the magnet will attract the match. I'm gonna pull a couple of them and we will see. And as you guys can see, nothing is happening. No attraction at all. I'm gonna check with this magnet as well. Yep, nothing is happening. So what I'm gonna do now is burn these matches and then we'll check again. Alright, these are the matches that I burned. I had to burn them outside. Let's see what happens if I move the magnet close to the matches. Check this out. Look at this. They're totally attracted. That's pretty cool. Let's see if I can attract all of them in one magnet. Check this out. Look at that. They're all hanging here. Isn't that cool? Very interesting. It's not easy to make them fall. Look at that. This trick only works with matches that has brown tip, by the way. Well, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and I'll see you next time. Check this out. Oh, one broke. Oh no.